Hey friends, this is Jake again, here to bring you another video in how to make a friend. And if you haven't checked out the playlist already, it'll be called Social Relationships Playlist. I'll put a link up here and the description down below. All right, let's get started. And in today's tip, use an app. I'd say years ago, making friends was a little bit harder than it is today. We have access in the palm of our hand, on a laptop, on a dedicated PC. We have access just a phone call away. No longer do we have to wait to meet someone. It's a pretty fast-paced world now. And with that, today I want to share with you that there are apps that you can use to make friends. And I hear what you're saying, that's not real friendship. That's not the correct way to do it. Who says? Might be that little thought in your mind or someone else telling you that that's incorrect. You may have met your best friend on an app, or you may have met him because they were your next door neighbor. It's just because you had something in common, each of you decided to connect and reciprocating that over and over and over. That's real friendship. Just like how there are different dating apps right now that are out there are other apps out there for making friendships too. Years ago, it was rare to date online, to find people through the internet. Nowadays, it's pretty normal, and you can do the same thing with developing friendships. There are places like Meetup or the Nextdoor app, and tons of other apps that I'm going to put in the description down below that you can use depending on your preference. All I need to do is go inside your app store. Chances are hundreds, if not thousands, of new applications will pop up. Just download whichever one you think is going to be feasible for you and get connected. I wouldn't worry too much about paying a subscription or some sort of a beginner's fee, because most of these apps are free, likely because you have to pay to remove the advertisements. But if you do want to pay to make a friend, that's fine. There's plenty of people out there that pay to go to gyms and they meet a friend there, and you technically wouldn't have met them if you didn't pay to go to that gym. Don't discount or minimize your experience if you meet a friend through an application. I know plenty of people who might want to discount that experience, saying it just doesn't count, when really it does, because others are trying to find people just like you who are searching for people just like them. Just give it a shot, take a chance, download something today. Just start with one app and get connected. And don't worry if it doesn't go well at first. You're taking a chance. That's good enough. Just try a little each day. And if this video doesn't stick with you and doesn't work out for you too well, check out my other videos on how to make a friend. Feel free to check out the channel. Maybe there's other things on there that can be helpful for you too when it comes to decoding your mental health. I wish you the best of luck. And feel free to let me know what applications you've used to develop a friendship. Please put them in the comments down below. I'm sure others would love to read them. And remember, take care.